Welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of a new work week. We're expecting some light morning rain along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as thunder showers over the far western part of South Africa as they extend from Namibia all the way through to the Western Cape. For the rest of the country, though, it'll be a dry start of the work week with a bit of cloud in the forecast, particularly in the afternoon, and we're expecting a warm Monday for the Eastern Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with scattered thunder showers extending from Namibia through to parts of the Northern Cape, with isolated thunder showers as we head towards the Western Cape, and we're even putting in a slight chance of thunder showers for the Cape Peninsula. As we head further east, you'll see dry weather for the rest of the country, other than a slight chance of rainfall still along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Daytime highs will peak in the mid-20s for Gauteng and Bombela, while as we head into Polokwane and Bethlehem, both at 22 degrees, 26 for Pietermaritzburg, Durban and Bloemfontein, 27 for Richards Bay and East London. Around 30 as we head into Cape Town and George, with a warm day in store for Port Elizabeth, Kimberley and are all at 28. Now, with the possibility of thunder showers, we're expecting moderate beach conditions along the west coast, with a moderate southwesterly wind for Namaqualand and Alexander Bay, more of an offshore component to the wind for Lambert's Bay and Langebaan, and along the west coast we can expect a 1.5 metre swell with wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. In the southwest, good beach conditions are expected for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with a light northeasterly wind for Hermanus. A light northwester is forecast for the Cape Town False Bay side, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell and wave heights between 1 and 3 feet. Great beach conditions, particularly between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a moderate east-northeasterly wind for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with fresh winds in the forecast for Port Elizabeth, so moderate beach conditions there. And along the south coast, we'll see a 2 metre swell with waves breaking between 2 and 3 feet. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected between the Wild Coast and Richards Bay. Moderate though for East London, with a fresh northeasterly wind in the forecast. A light southwesterly is expected for Durban and Richards Bay. And along the east coast, we'll see a swell height of 2 metres with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet, with high tide at around 8 a.m. in the morning. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Monday.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com